Welcome back, students. Let's continue the previous topic, query handling. Today we will learn how to handle the queries based on some conditions. When we use conditions with select command for handling queries, it is called filtering the data. The syntax of select command with condition is on the screen. Here are some statements which I want you all to try yourself. In the results, you will observe that data which is displayed completely fulfills your condition which is given after where clause. Hence, from these statements, we conclude that where is the clause used with select command to specify conditions. While giving conditions, we can use relational operators, logical operators, range, list, and patterns. The operators which you have used in previous slide were relational operators. Now let's discuss logical operators. There are only three logical operators: and, or, not. Try these statements and observe the result. Here in the results you will see the statement which is having and as an operator. The data displayed for that is that data which has satisfied both the conditions, whereas in case of OR operator, the displayed data has satisfied either of the condition. Now let's discuss the range based conditions. Here we use the word between as operator to specify the range. In the result, both the lower bound and upper bound, means lower and upper values, are included. Run the given statements. List based conditions. In this, a list is specified with the operator in and the data which satisfies or belong to the list only will be displayed. Next is pattern match condition. This is mostly used with string type columns where we don't remember the exact data or value of the column. We use pattern match conditions. Two wildcard characters, percentage and underscore, are used for this. Both these are used with like clause. Percentage represents multiple characters. Underscore represents single character. Let's discuss the same with commands on next slide. When you run these commands, you will observe that for statement 1, all those records where name has last three characters as SEN are displayed. Because starting is not known to us, that is why we have used percentage sen. In statement 2, all records where the name starts with J are displayed. We have used here J percentage, which means the names which starts with J, but we don't know what comes after that J. So we have used J percentage. In the same way, others will also execute. At last is sorting the data of query. either in ascending or descending order. So in order to sort the data, order by clause is used. Before the column name, according to which we have to sort the data, we use this order by clause, as you can see in statement 1 and 3. But if you want to arrange the data in descending order, we have to add the word DESC at the end before semicolon, which means we are going to arrange the data for display in descending order. That's all for today. Practice the commands. Till